7 copy-paste prompts that mass-produce production-quality code. Prompt 1. Write tests for every function. Watch. A full jest test suite appears in seconds. Prompt 2. Refactor to dependency injection. Hard-coded dependencies become clean, testable constructors. Prompt 3. Add input validation and error messages to every form field. XOT schemas with custom messages. Done. Prompt 4. Generate TypeScript types from this API response. Paste the JSON, get a typed interface. Prompt 5. Convert this callback chain to async await. The pyramid of doom becomes 3 clean lines. Prompt 6. Add loading states, error boundaries, and empty states. A bare component becomes production-ready with suspense and error boundary. Prompt 7. Write JSDoc comments for every exported function. Full documentation with params, returns, and examples. 7 prompts. 3 minutes. What used to take a junior developer a full week. More at end of coding.